Senior Congress MLA and former Karnataka Minister Dinesh Gundu Rao have expressed disappointment over being excluded from the Karnataka Cabinet expansion, stating that no reason was given for his omission despite his years of service to the party and the state. Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar expanded the cabinet by inducting 19 ministers. The Karnataka Council of Ministers has a sanctioned strength of 34, including the Chief Minister, leaving one ministerial berth vacant. In a post on X, Dinesh Gundu Rao said he was grateful for the opportunity to serve Karnataka as both an MLA and a minister. A six-time MLA, former Food Minister, Health Minister and KPCC President, he stated that he had also served in the Youth Congress, District Congress, KPCC and DICC. He emphasized that he had always worked with honesty, integrity and a commitment to good governance. He expressed disappointment that he had not been considered for the cabinet and that no reason had been given for his exclusion, but vowed to continue serving the people and working for Karnataka's development. Meanwhile, supporters of Dinesh Gundu Rao staged a peaceful protest at the KPCC office on Queen's Road, Bengaluru, demanding his inclusion in the cabinet. Speaking to Daily Salar Digital, a protester said, Dinesh Gundu Rao had demonstrated his administrative ability during his tenure as Food Minister and Health Minister, had no corruption charges or allegations against him, and deserved a cabinet berth because of his seniority. The protester also highlighted that Rao had been elected 6 times from the Gandhinagar Assembly constituency, attributing his repeated victories to broad public support across communities. The protesters submitted a memorandum to the KPCC President B.K. Hariprasad requesting that it to be forwarded to the Congress High Command in New Delhi. According to the protester, the KPCC leadership assured them that the memorandum would be sent to the High Command. He clarified that the protest was peaceful and was not against the Congress party or its leadership, but was aimed at seeking what the supporters believed was Dinesh Gundu Rao's rightful place in the cabinet. The protesters said they were hopeful that the party high command would take a favorable decision.
Our demand is very simple. We have to give a good government with an eminent minister. So today the ministry has been announced, the cabinet has been announced, but somewhere our MLA Shri Dinesh Gundu Rao's name was not there. So we are feeling very bad because he has proven him what he is. Because he was a 2 times minister, one is a food minister, and other is a health minister, and 2 times also he has proved what he is. So there is no doubt, there is no corruption, there is no any allegation against him. Then too, he has got the seniority also because he has won 6 times without any religious support. Universally he has been selected by the people of Gandhinagar. So there is no negative about Dinesh Gundu Rao, but then too his name was not there. So we felt very bad. So we have come to the Congress office, we have protested in a peaceful manner, and we have given our memorandum to Mr. KPCC President, Mr. B.K. Hariprasad ji. He has assured that definitely he will send this memorandum to the Delhi High Command and he will give a good result within tonight. Furthermore is nothing. See, this is what we have, because this is our right. It is not nothing against the party or against the leadership. It is our right. We have asked our right. It is up to the party to decide. Definitely we are expecting a good result from the party High Command.
ಸತತವಾಗಿ 6ನೇ ಬಾರಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಸಕರಾದ ದಿನೇಶ್ ಗುಂಡೂರಾವ್ ಅವರು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸಚಿವರಾಗಿ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಚಿವರಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಚಿವರಾಗಿ ಅನ್ನಭಾಗ್ಯ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾರಿ ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಹಲವು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉಸ್ತುವಾರಿಯಾಗಿ, ಹಲವು ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಉಸ್ತುವಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಪಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಿವಾರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಕೊಂಡ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಚಿವ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಜಾಗೃತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಭಾಯಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಸತತ 6 ಬಾರಿ ಗೆಲುವು ಸಾಧಿಸಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಹಲವಾರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು, ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಚಿವ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿನಗರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಹರಿಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ ಮನವಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅವರು ಇವಾಗ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ಗೆ ಮನವಿ ಪತ್ರವನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಭರವಸೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.